Ladies and gentlemen.
As we all know that internship is really important and internship plays a major role in our career. So this video is all about internship. I'm going to tell you about the free internship that you can apply for, and this is majorly for two roles, data analyst and business analyst. So if you wanted to be a data analyst or if you wanted to be a business analyst, then this video is for you, and don't forget to watch the complete video because I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process. So hello everyone, myself Akansha Yadav. I'm a content creator, coder and a employee as well. So let's start this video without wasting any time. So I'm talking about the internship which is offered by Culture Hire company. What do you have to exactly do is you have to go onto the Google and search for free data analyst internship. Once you will search this, you will be on the page where you will get multiple websites. You have to click on this Culture Hire one, and this is what I am talking about. You are going to be a job ready for free. You need not to pay even a single penny for this. They are going to provide you 45 days internship where you will be working on end-to-end projects for the skills required like Python, SQL, Power BI, Excel. All these things will be taught to you. Data analyst and business analyst. Don't forget. Up to 60 days, and up to 60 days they have mentioned, but majorly they are going to be for the 45 days. So if you are looking for skills, if you are looking for the projects, if you are looking for the guidance, if you are looking for the mentorship that you need someone who is going to guide you that what next you have to do, then this internship is important for you. If you are a fresher or if you are in the last semester of your college or last year of your college, then you must do this. This is very effective. So what you have to do is, as you can see, this is for free, and you have to tap on any one of this. Like if I'm going to click on start, they will take you to this form where you have to sign up to start your journey. Else what you can do is you can directly click on the sign up button, and the sign up will also ask you for the few details about yourself. You have to enter your name, your mail ID, your password, and you also have to enter your phone number. For this particular website, you need two URLs. First should be your LinkedIn URL and second should be your Udemy public URL. Why they are asking for the Udemy public URL is maybe they are suggesting some courses, or maybe in future they are going to refer to free courses or somewhere. Like maybe it is important for them, or maybe it is important for you as well. So you have to get two links. I'm going to tell you how you have to get those two links also. You need not to worry, just watch the complete video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, do it right now. So you have to enter the gender, and then comes the LinkedIn public URL. So to get the LinkedIn public URL, what you have to do is you have to open your LinkedIn profile. Once you are on the home page of your profile, you have to move to this profile icon, then click on view profile. Once you will be on the view profile system, then you have to, then on the right hand side, you will find this URL over here. You have to copy this URL and directly you have to go back to that page and you have to paste it. That's it. The second URL which is required is the Udemy public profile URL. Udemy public profile URL. Udemy is a website which provides free courses and paid courses as well sometimes, but within the budget. Like affordable courses are available on Udemy. So if you are looking for the courses, then you can also explore Udemy, but you just have to enter the profile. No matters if you have enrolled, no matter if you have explored that website or not, you just have to go create an account on Udemy, and that's it. Now let me tell you how you can get that Udemy account link. So this is the Udemy platform. You have to go to this Udemy. This is udemy.com directly, and once you are on this, you have to click on this profile icon, and then you will find view public profile. Click on that view public profile, and this is your public profile URL. You just have to copy this, and then again, as I told you, you have to go back and enter your details on this particular form, and then check both the boxes and start your program journey. That's it. There is an additional information for you that once you have completed this internship, make sure you use the certificate, you use the projects for building your network on LinkedIn. This is not the ad, this is not the paid promotion or partnership with the Culture Hire. This is just an information for those who are looking for skills for free. So once you have completed this, or once you are going to complete each one of the projects during the internship duration, then make sure you keep it on GitHub and you upload it on LinkedIn. You share it with your network so that employers also get interacted with the projects that you have created, and that will also boost your network. So that is something which is really important if you are doing internship. So make sure you apply to this and make sure you update your LinkedIn with the projects. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.